Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back, hey? Another Wednesday, another shave, and aren't we just glad that everything's back to normal? I know I am, oh my word. Finished work, went for a haircut on the way home. I passed the barber's, was empty, so I called in. There's a little tale to tell. We'll crack on with the shave first though, before I tell you about my tale about the barbers. Okay, first order of the day, the brush. Here we go. See if my camera can do it some justice. There it is. It is DS Cosmetic 24mm. That's it there. It's a bit steamy. The camera doesn't do it justice, but there you go. We've put that in the official John Shave Super Soaker. I know you don't have to soak synthetics, but I like the ritual. And I do find a lot of shaving, a lot of what you're doing shaving, it's ritual and habit. And I do it because my father did it and some stuff. And there's no point doing it anymore. But I enjoy that connection to the past and the bygone era, the tradition and the ritual that is wet shaving. Okay, there you go. So we're going to balm up with this Real Shaving Company anti-aging balm. Well, I'm 96. Is it working? You be the judge of that. The splash. Check this out, everyone. Get Stetson. Stetson's wonderful. Everyone said, oh, Jen, you got to try Stetson. I got some Stetson. Absolutely loved it. Was trawling eBay and saw this. Check this out. Can you see that? Stetson across the top there. Engraved into the glass. This beautiful glass bottle. Look at that. And what does it say on the bottom? Stetson. 4 fluid ounces. If anyone can tell me how old this is, it looks like something from the 70s to me. Absolutely wonderful. I think it was £5 off eBay, and I decanted the Stetson into it. Smells absolutely lovely. Oh, there you go. And we've got a Stetson because we're going to be horse riding. Morning, Sheriff. Hey, you see the work that goes into these videos, guys. Honestly, here we go. 345 Soap Company, Derby. If anyone tries to tell you that says Derby, don't listen to them, because I live near Derby. It's not far away from me, Derby, and that's Derby. Right? And when you get the horse racing, it's the Derby. We have a Derby over here, and if two local football teams like Manchester City and Manchester United play each other, well, it's usually City showing United how it's done. But it's called a derby, right? That's how you spell it. And I think this is my first 345 Soap Company. I've had sinusitis. Here we go. Oh, straight away, guys, this has got amber and cedar wood. And, there's another one. Tonka bean, vanilla. I come in without my tablet, so I can't get you the notes, but it's absolutely deep, rich, fragrant cologne. Now, what I pick, scent strength is, I'm getting like a sweet amber scent to it. And I know it's amber because I've got some pure amber aftershave in there, and it smells like this, although this is slightly sweeter and has got a little bit more going on. Oh, it smells absolutely fantastic. I'm looking forward to using that. And what are we going to be using for the hardware? Check it out. I've only used it once yet. The Pearl, I keep meaning to say the Pearl Flexi Blaze. It's not the Pearl Flexi Blaze, is it? It's Pearl Shavings Blaze. There you go. Right, we'll take it apart. Oh, there's a little washer. Comes with a washer. I'll show you the bottom of it. See that with the serial numbers written on it and so on, if we can get the light to catch it. I actually like that. And I think this is a really well-made razor. We're going to be putting an Indian blade in that one today. Advance. I think Flash Boredom may have sent me this. I got some razors off him. I got some razors off David Cunniff. I got some razors off my son. Razor blades, that is, not razors. Dad brain again. There it is. See it? Advance Super Platinum from India. And we will put that cap on there. We'll put that on there. And then we're all ready. How are you doing? I'm a little bit giddy. I'm so glad I went back to work today. It was a nice, easy day. And it was just, I finished on time and the hairdressers was empty, and I'm just glad everything's back to normal. I've got to be honest with you, I don't really bother with Christmas and New Year and such, but I just had it up to here. I just wanted to get back to normal, and we're there, so I'm looking forward to it. So there you go, we'll put that in there. We'll wet the face. I think that's everything. We'll crack on with this shave. So, oh yeah, please click like and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I am trying to grow the channel. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you very much for your continued support. Okay. I don't think I've used 345 yet. Oh, it smells fantastic, guys. Here you go. What I like to do is I like to load the brush and then lather on the face. Yes, so back in work today. It's Tuesday today. I'm filming this the day before because I'm busy tomorrow. And to be honest, I just find it lets me, it's more convenient for me, put it that way. So there you go. Yeah, there you go. Let's see where we go with this. Yeah, so I was, look at, I was just so delighted to get back in work. And I've been meaning to get my hair cut. Actually, the week before Christmas. But absolutely everywhere was rammed. I mean, even the place I went to today, when I went before Christmas, they were queuing out onto the street to get in and get a haircut. And it's like, oh, guys, get a life. Sorry, I shouldn't really say that, should I? But I passed today and it was empty. So I went in. It's a really nice barber shop. And it's run by some Turkish lads. And I walked in today. There was only me in there. And then this voice says, you want a haircut, yeah? That's my pathetic attempt at Albanian. And, well, shall we just say, this rather attractive young Albanian woman came out and she says, you want me to cut your hair today? And I was like, yes. And she cut my hair and she did okay, and we had a lovely chat. We spoke about Albania and her language, and she's been here 9 years and she loves it here. And she's worked at various places. But she's always been a hairdresser, and well, not a hairdresser, a barber. She said, I've always been a barber, I always cut hair. She said, but now the opportunity presented itself for me to come and cut here. So here I am. So at the end of the process, I said to her, do you know what, you've cut my hair nicer than it's ever been cut ever before. So the next time I come in, I'd like you. I would like you to cut my hair. You know, you're so kind. Others have said it. But anyway, back to the shave. Whoever sent me this blade, I like it. I think it's okay. It's very sharp, very smooth. I have ordered some Kai blades, and this is a decent shade, but I have to be honest, I think it and the Tatara Masamu would benefit from a the width, the extra, the millimeter, well, not even a millimetre, is it, but you know what I mean, that little hair's width that you get from a Kai would just make all the difference. So I'll be interested to try that when they come. So what's your shave of the day? Do I look any thinner? 2 days I've been on this diet, guys. Oh, it's torture. Why am I going? Why am I going against the grain? We go that way, don't we? Oh. Do you guys get dad brain? I've been a member of the gym for a while, to be fair. After a long, hard struggle, I finally started going. It's not... Everyone said to me, oh, New Year's resolutions. I don't really do New Year's resolutions. But it is a good timestamp, isn't it, for the start of the year? The first of the month, the first month, the first of a year, you know, so... It is a good timestamp. So I'm looking forward to going to the gym. I've eaten some green food and some, I don't know, vegetables and stuff. Angela and Samantha will look after me. I've got some grapes in there. So that's it. Please let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know. I've already done this past one. Let me know what you think of the stuff used in today's shave. Let me know what your shaves of the day are. See, I go through a big long list like this because not everybody answers every point, so I'll put 2 or 3 points up there. You can pick what you want to answer and leave it in the comments. And I will always answer you. I will always try and engage. Yeah, that's a nice, sharp, smooth blade. I think it was Flash. Look, soap's going everywhere. I'm so giddy. I'll be honest with you guys, what it is. I came in from work, I got the haircut, came in from work, came straight in here to film the shave. And I'm starving. I'm absolutely starving. I'm dying for a drink. Absolutely. What we say over here in the United Kingdom. I'm gagging. I'm gagging for a brew. That means I am really desirous of a cup of tea. Oh man, I think the getting the haircut by Ava has released some endorphins or something. Isn't it amazing? An attractive young woman stroking your hair, laughing at your jokes. Isn't it amazing what that can do for you? Oh. Of course, I don't need to tell you, that happens to me all the time. But it's a curse I have to bear. And that is our shame. There's been a lot of people talking about trying. I'll try and get it to show you. I'll try and get it to stand up straight. People saying, oh, you know, it slopes and so on. Mine doesn't. Mine's fine. That's a good little shaver. If you were thinking of getting a blaze, if you were thinking of getting it, I certainly have no issues with them. And that soap was good as well. Good lather. Very, very slick. It was a good one today, guys. I'm feeling upbeat. The start of the week, the start of the year, back at work. Things getting back to normal. I'm a creature of habit. I am. As you probably noticed over the new year, people were uploading this day and that day. Not me. Wednesday and Saturday, all the way. That's me. Creature of habit. There you go. What do you think? We did okay, didn't we? Nice, close, smooth shave. Splashkins. Stetson. Do you use Stetson? Put that on there. Woo! Not a sting. Nothing. Absolutely. Oh, that's so lovely. Oh, lovely, fresh, clean, soapy cologne type scent, man. And then we'll get a bit on here. Age defying. Because if I stop using this, all the wrinkles start coming back. Oh, man. Do you know what I mean? I'm on my own. When I'm making a cup of tea after, I'll tell myself jokes and then laugh. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. My mum used to say to me, she said, you've got a head full of bubbles. And every now and again, a cluster of them burst. She was trying to say, look after yourselves. We did a good shave, didn't we, guys? We did okay, didn't we? Okay. Time to go for that protein shake. Lucky me. Look after yourselves and look after others. Be the change you wish to see in the world. And I will see you on Saturday, surprisingly enough, for the Saturday shave. Bye.